Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Serby, your math teacher. So today we are going to solve another math challenge. As shown on the left screen, we have x squared minus 64 all over 20 equals 4. Pause this video and try to answer. Alright, let us solve together. So the problem that we are going to solve is x squared minus 64 all over 20 equals 4. Alright? So in order to solve this problem, you can do cross multiplication. Okay, this 4 on the right can be written as 4 over 1. Okay, or you can do cross multiplication directly. Alright, so x squared minus 64 multiplied by 1 is x squared minus 64. And 20 multiplied by 4, that is 80. And then we have to isolate the variable x. So we have x squared on the left side equals 80 plus 64. Right? So this negative will be transposed to the right side of the equation. So from negative 64, this becomes positive 64. Alright, now x squared equals 144. Now, since the left side is x squared, so to solve for the value of x, we need to extract the square root of x squared as well as 144. Extract the square root both sides of the equation. So that this becomes x equals, so since we extract the square root, so we will have an answer or answers positive and negative. Square root of 144 is simply 12. Why positive or negative 12? Because 12 times 12 is 144, right? Also, negative 12 multiplied by negative 12 is also 144. So therefore, our answers to this problem is positive 12 or negative 12. All right? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.